on the Inch Island, folks. We're not doing anything tonight. We just came down to relax. And it's been a while since you've heard from Racheal, but Racheal's actually here.
Hi everyone, it's me. Hi.
And we're here with the new wobbly bus.
Yes.
Oh, that's the bad side. That's the bad side with the scratch on it. But that is the new. That's the new car, and loads of space in the bag for stuff. But we just decided we'd take a break from the city and come down. We're down at Inch Island where we done our last investigation. We actually haven't investigated this beach, which we will do at some stage.
Yes.
Do you know? But you can't beat this.
No,
you know?
It's really lovely.
I'm going to take some pictures now.
Oh yes.
But I might as well show my face on camera, seeing as Racheal was on camera. Oh God, I look terrible. But yeah, sorry the uploads haven't been very regular lately. I'm having a problem with my computer now.
Yes.
First it was the car, now it's the computer.
Aye.
But we will get there, do you know? But on the island we have 2 camper vans, and there was more people around earlier on, but this is the coastline towards Ned's Point and Dunry Fort. So this is kind of the start of it. But as I was saying, this is part of the Donegal coast, and it's beautiful. And we've been out here for a little while now, and we're actually tired. The sea air is, you know what I mean? It's kind of weird not hearing cars.
It is, yeah.
Isn't it?
It's very quiet out here.
We're just resetting ourselves.
Yes.
You know, we're heading into September now. The temperature has dropped this evening. It has been 18 degrees earlier on today. It was flipping warm, but not enough cloud to keep that warmth in, and it's actually quite chilly. But yeah, I've been going through a bit of health stuff, so that is why we're not going to be spending hours here today. I'm just basically giving you a look. I thought it would be a shame not to give you this beautiful view, because I had no intentions of taking out the camera tonight.
Yeah.
You know, I was sort of doing my. It was a chill out drive. We drove to a petrol station to fuel up. Yeah. And we had nice ice cream and stuff.
We did. It was lovely.
There's more seating outside places now, and there's, you know, we had a nice ice cream and a smoke outside and stuff like that. And I have bought tables. I bought a table, folding table, and folding chairs. Yeah. For the back of the car. So, you know, doing sessions and stuff, we can drive anywhere. Yeah. And even if we don't have a place to sit, we bring the place to sit with us.
Our own chairs, yes.
Because I can't just sit on the ground because of my pains and stuff. So I'm old and crocked. I'm like those people at the vintage car shows that takes out their folding chairs and sit beside their car. But that is, I give it 3 coats of wax, and I've just put 2 brand new tyres on the back. I have a few more little small things to do, but it's not the right light to see it, but very practical for putting our camera equipment in and stuff like that. But I did mention to them in another video that I didn't upload yet,
Right.
at the time of recording right now, that we're going to be doing more than paranormal.
Yes.
We're going to be out looking at places too.
Oh yes, definitely.
Because, you know, we don't always want to be doing the paranormal all the time, sort of time. Sometimes we want to take a break from it and show you the coastline.
Yeah.
You know? Don't know when this is going to get uploaded, but we'll try and get it done at some stage. I'm problems with my laptop, you know. Folks, I'm going to go, and Racheal is
Gonna go
back on scene as well. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed the view of the Donegal coast just off Inch Island. And we will see you in a future video.
Take care. Bye.
Goodbye.